be your SushiSwap update. As you can see, guys, all-time high from before, it's around that $23.47. The all-time high challenging point was in May, start of May from there, so we can actually be putting in some sort of major trend line coming through there, and obviously we're going to be using this as a piece of information for resistance for the future. But also what I would say from there, this being a lower high, there's definitely going to be some sort of congruent point coming through down from there. As you can see, that's getting ever so close to what we are looking at now. Now, if we are looking for another point of reversal there, this is obviously going to be the previous high there when we are coming up and challenging these lower highs from before. So there's definitely going to be another... That's the wrong tool. There's definitely going to be another correlative point coming down like so. And that's what we are looking at now in terms of a breakout scenario. In terms of a symmetrical triangle chart pattern, we could be looking at something along the lines of this. And doesn't this look attractive to trade? Right, let's get rid of that little line coming through there. Doesn't this look very attractive to trade? In terms of a measure move here, guys, we could actually be looking at, it's not going to be very big, but it looks very like stars are aligning, waiting for a lovely long. And when I say waiting for a lovely long, I mean breakout scenario, I mean downward sloping resistance line from there. So it's definitely going to be a mass take profit point. That I would say I probably wouldn't even be letting that run just for the sake of like a few percent there. It's still going to be around a 10, maybe 11% gain there for that move there. If we are going to see a breakout for sushi, this is what we're going to be looking for there. First take profit point would be definitely this wick here around 4% there, and then another one I would say around $12.66, and then probably another one there. No, probably let that run to the completion of the measure move there. So yeah, I would say around 3 or 4 take profits there. When you hit your first take profit, move your stop loss to entry. You know the score, guys. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the daily here on SushiSwap. Let's see if we can get some more information coming through on the 4-hourly. Yeah, what I would say is you can see, guys, the most correlative point that's just jumping out at us here is going to be this horizontal. You can see this horizontal. You can see the resistance that we've actually found from this zone. Very, very strong. Very, very strong indeed. We're actually sat on the cusp of that. If we can break that, as I said on the daily a second ago, that's basically going to be a bit more information for another breakout scenario as well. So yeah, the stars are aligning for a very nice actual, very nice breakout there for SushiSwap to be looking out for. Let's jump down to the hourly. Nothing too crazy going on. It's just that point to be looking out for. You can see volume weighted ATR band here on the hourly is actually very correlative. It's very, very correlative, as you can see, the resistance from this zone. So that's definitely a point to be looking out for there whilst in that long position, if we are going to be entering that. And you can see, actually, that is lining up very, very, very heavily with that resistance point as well from that wick at $12.23. So that's going to be another point to be looking out for there. You can see how much we get rejected off this volume-weighted ATR band. So yeah, definitely take profit points to be looking out for. You can see how congruent that is. Very, very, very congruent. Very, very good in terms of an indication of where the price is actually going to find that resistance. So yeah, coming up to that, guys, so definitely a point to be looking out for there. And that's why we're going to have our first take profit there. We're not just going to be riding the wave all the way up. And because if we do see it actually come up to this zone and get rejected, we're probably going to come back down, have a test of the downside liquidity grab there, and get probably stopped out there. But if we hit our first take profit, we move our stop loss to our entry. We come back down, we get stopped out, but we've already taken a massive lump of profit. So it's already a win. It's already a winning trade there. So minimizing your stop losses there, guys. That's why we're here. You know why we're here. We're here to make money. It's as simple as that. But yeah, that's going to be our update there on SushiSwap.